algorithm, alert system, all that. You know what I mean? So when I say algorithm, you get the parameters of these moving averages, okay? And you get an alert system to come with it. It's all through Liquid Broker. All you got to do is go to the website. The website is right here. Go to this website. You be able to get everything for $10. Okay. You see right here. Okay. All you do, the simplest way to make money trading is when the blue moving average go underneath this orange moving average. That means the price is going down. That means moving averages are trailing the direction of price. That's why you see the moving average is going down because it's trailing this price action right here. Okay. You see how the candlestick is moving because of the price action? The moving average is responding to what the price action is doing. That's it. You just wait till it cross over. So I'm in profit right now, $2.06 just for that. Okay, just for that. I'm up 195 pips. When it comes to Bitcoin, you make more pips. But remember, this based on whatever amount of money you put in your account. So this could have easily been $100, could have been anything. But you know, I don't do any measuring, I don't do any guessing. It comes with the time frame, not the time frame. It comes with the chart letting you know when to trade. You know, don't trip off the fact that this is not a lot of money made. Trip off the potential that it could have been. You know, and all the trades right here in front of you. All you have is nothing but opportunities right here in front of you. Look, in the past, the blue moving average went over the orange moving average. When that blue started crossing over, it started spreading and expanding. And when the blue stayed over the orange, the price is going up. Regardless of what the candlesticks do, you keep the trade open. It would have stayed open all the way to there. If you look closely, the blue moving average stayed over the orange the whole time. When it finally go up over underneath it, the alarm system will come on letting you know to take this as a sell. You see it? That's what's missing in your trading. You're not paying attention to what the moving averages do. You only look at the past performance to see what happened in the past with your moving average strategy. Okay? But charts never repeat themselves. So a lot of people talk about the past data. That's only based on what it was doing at the time of that day and whatever. There's no chart that's the same. I don't care what you trade, Forex, whatever. I'm telling you, if you look a year later, it's not the same thing. They don't make the same moves. But certain patterns can repeat, just like you see this blue moving average. The blue moving average over the orange, right? Price go up when the blue over moving average over the orange, price go down. I can go to another trade and show you. It's the same thing with this with the moving averages. Look, NOS 100. You could have caught this right now with NOS 100. Blue underneath the orange moving average. Price was going down the whole time. Moving averages do nothing but trail the direction the price is going. And this is actually good. You get to see this. What's up, everybody? Show me some love. Where y'all from? Where y'all from? What's going on? This is simple, y'all. If I told y'all to follow the Brinks truck and you'll make all the money, everybody get money when you get there, what you gonna do? To follow the Brinks truck. You following the money. This is not smart money concepts. You know what I mean? Where people get the, trying to guess. If I tell you to follow money, why would you start trying to guess where it's going when you can see the direction is already going? It's $10. If you go to this website right here, best Bitcoin broker. Go to it's $10 right now. This whole system, you get your money back the same day. I've been using them for a few years. I love them. Good company. Okay. Watch what's gonna happen. When the 21 seconds, we got like 20 seconds left. The blue is now crossed over the orange. There's a shift in momentum. The momentum is now bullish. Okay. There's a shift in market structure. It was going down. Now the price has shifted. 5 seconds left. Blue over orange. Watch what's gonna happen. B is for buy. Okay, I'm gonna stop the trade. Well, that's not. I'm trading something else. But if I was to take this trade, it would be a buy. You see how the price is already going up? Wouldn't that help you? Wouldn't that help you a lot? Make more money. That would help you make money easier. You can utilize this. It comes with an alert system. I'm one of the few people online that actually made an alert system for liquid brokers. It's on sale right now for $10. I'm just trying to help people. That's why the price is so low. It works. You see it works. bestbitcoinbroker.com. Again, that alert just worked. And that will work for anything you trading. Right now it's on sale for only $10. Look at Australian, Canadian. Look, same thing. All moving averages do is trail the direction the price is going. For some of your most favorite pairs, some of your favorite pairs. Look, if the price is going down, the moving averages are going down. Moving averages do nothing but trail the direction the price is going. Look, we got a crossover like it's about to come here with this as well. Look at that. And this is all live right now. This is live. This is, of course, this is not pre-recorded. This was going on. These signals are coming on live. All right, it's not quite crossed. But look, this is the beauty of moving averages. Check out the moving average. Check out this blue moving average at the bottom. Watch how it responds to what the price doing. Watch how this line get the moving back and forth. If it moves, if the price moves. When price move, moving averages move. Moving averages are nothing without price, because without price, moving averages can't move. So all moving averages do is respond to what the price is already doing. All you have to do is follow the direction the price is already going. Doesn't that make sense? Like I said earlier, if I told you, your favorite restaurant has a sale on your favorite food and you know the directions to go there, just follow the directions that you already know to go. You're not going to go, well, let me try to guess and do this and try to figure stuff out. Go the direction you already know to go. I mean, look at this, y'all. And look, now this is something else to consider. Look at this. This moving average, again, and look how close you can get to these charts. It's better than TradeMo. It's kind of a mix of TradeMo and MetaTrader. Let me make this where I can see this candlestick a little bit better. There you go. Now look, you see how the blue moving average is now curving? Hold on. Okay, it's already moving. Trying to make this where I can move it. All right. Because the price is moving so damn much. All right, but look how the bitch is responding to what the price is doing. It's going up and down just like the price. This is a whole different pair. 20 seconds left till this is over. You can buy this right now, algorithm, this whole system right now at bestbitcoinbroker.com. It is on sale right now for only $10. The same algorithm, same system. It gives you the same system you're looking at with the alert system on here. It's $10. You could trade Bitcoin 24/7 with this. Look at this. The blue moving average just went up over the orange moving average. So what's going to happen? When this candlestick is done and the new candlestick formed, the alert will go off just like you just saw for the NAS 100. It works perfectly. But look how the blue moving average is responding to the orange. Now that the price seems like it's going down, guess what it's going to do? It's going to start going down. But if it's not going to go down, the blue moving average is not going to go down. It's going to go in the direction the price is going. That's all it does. Okay? We got about 1 minute left. I'm going to come back to this in a second. Let's look at Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin, I'm in this trade right now. Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin is still going down. I'm not up here stressing or guessing about this, am I? This is swing trading. This is swing trading what we're doing, but I brought it to the smaller time frame. So you swing trading from the smaller time frame, you can make more money. You're getting into trades a lot easier. a lot quicker. This is the most effective way of making money, you know. Check it out. We got about 40 seconds left. Okay. Also give you some good game. The most important candlestick on this chart is the one that's currently moving. These candlesticks to the past are only important once you're doing back testing. Other than that, that's it. And when I say back testing, it's got to sync what's going on with the moving averages. Since the moving averages are going down, the candlesticks were going down because moving averages are following the direction the candlesticks are going. Remember, everything is about what's going on currently right now. Now look, we got 9 seconds left. Make this clear so you can see for yourself. The blue moving average is over the orange. Watch what's going to happen. An alert. You would have took this as a buy if I was trading it. See what I'm saying? Let's look at something else. All my stuff is accurate. Everything you're seeing is accurately doing right, and you would take the trade. I'm in my trade for Bitcoin right now. Okay, this is what everybody want to know. And look, the price, I'm still in profit. My price is getting even deeper because the price is going down. Look, price going down in front of you. Look. Right in front of you, the profit is getting bigger. I'm up right now 357 pips. You could have made a lot of money with this if you got the money in there. I always show small amounts of money here because people love to say stuff is demo account. So I'm trying to show you the simplicity. You know, you have nothing to lose, guys. This is a $10 investment. I'm helping y'all out. Hold on, y'all. Sorry. I wanna help. Sorry, y'all. They hating. All right. Look, y'all. What's 10? No. That's a good question, Johnny. The whole system. If you go, you'll sign up with Liquid Broker. You're going to get the broker, of course, is free. This whole system, the algorithm, what I'm saying, with the moving averages, you'll know the algorithm parameters and you'll get the system that you see keep giving you the signals. It's only $10. You go there, you watch the video and you sign up. You got to watch the whole video so you can understand how to sign up, so you can sign up under my link. And that's it. This is live money. And I could take this money out the same day. That's the beauty of it. You can put it in the same. Look, Bitcoin steady going down. Let me show you how we look on the hour time frame. This is not an app, bro. This is a trading software. Look, everything you're seeing is the same thing, just from different time frames. So it's going to adjust to the actual chart differently. So you see how this blue moving average. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Give y'all some game real quick. Compression. People say moving averages lag. You have to understand what it's doing. You have to understand the lag, what it's saying. When you start seeing compression, you see how the market structure was going up and spreading. But notice right up here, it started compressing. When it started compressing, going towards each other, that's a high sign of a reversal. And look what's going on. It is reversing. Moving averages don't lag. They just speak a different language. You have to understand what's going on. I got about 8 years of experience of this. And I'm selling this information for only $10. I'm doing this to help people out. You know what I mean? People need money. If I could bless you, I'll be blessed. That's how I go. Win-win situations are the best situations. And you can get this right now from this broker right here. bestbitcoinbroker.com. You're going to get everything you see. You'll be able to get the software is Cloud Trader. It comes with Liquid Broker for free, and they got all these widgets. Look at all these widgets they got. Hold on, let me go to all the widgets. Look at all these widgets that you can use. This is free versus TradeView. You got to pay for all the extra shit. And this is one of my favorite things right here to use, the profit calculator. So look, watch this. Bitcoin, right? Change it to Bitcoin. Same lot size. So right now I'm using I'm using 1 lot size, right? So let's put it at 20. Let's put it at 20, right? All right, let's see how much that, hold on. Let's see how much money that would have been. So if I'm using this at 20, how much money you would have had in your account? That's $161 you wagering. So imagine if you got $500 in your account, you only wagering $161, right? So you want to have this as a sale. You got in at, let's see when you got in. Hold on, let me close this. I appreciate y'all being here with me. So the price we got in here was at $81,000 and 138. So 81,138. That's the price it opened there, right? That I got in, right? And where it's at right now is at 80,000. 80833. We're gonna say about right up in there. So if I was to do that, I've been in profit $61 just off that little movement. Okay. So as you see, and you get 100 leverage. That's not bad. That is not bad for Bitcoin. You know what I mean? You get 100 leverage. A lot of these companies talking about they give you 500, 1,000, 2,000. Check for what did you actually trading. That's for Forex. They don't get that type of leverage for foreign exchange. I mean, for crypto, they don't. You know, indices, you might get 200. Okay. Now look, again, the moving average is still doing its job. Okay. I can go to other pairs if you want to see how my algorithm works on other pairs. Let's look at S&P 500. Look, this is going on right now. If you were trading S&P 500, look at that. You would have caught all that. Look at the money you could have caught and you could have made. The blue moving average is under the orange moving average because it's trailing the direction of the price. That would have been a good profit to make. Let's see what it did today. We all know Mamba FX, right? His favorite thing to trade is Nas 100, right? And US 30, right? Let's go to the indice. He make a little bit of pips, and I'm not even hating, but he make a little bit of pips. He make more money than me, obviously. He been in the game. I get my money, we're gonna see what I do. But I make more pips than him. Now, this is why I don't like trading US 30. Like, you would have won the money, caught some good. It caught the trend about up in here. You would have had to wait. But look at all this consolidation. You know, market opened up right here. You would have caught that. But I don't like that. You would have had to wait. But look, you would have caught it right back up, down. As long as the blue under the orange, you're getting money. But if you go to the US 30, I'm talking about Nas 100, look what it did today. Market opened at 1030. Hold on. Make this a little bit way clearer. You can see it. Okay. You would have got in right up in there. You would have won all that. Stopped the trade. Got right back in. Kept the trade open the whole time. All that money. And look, you would have caught this stuff. Well, the market would have been closed by then. This consolidating up in here because the market just opened again. But look, it went right back down. Look at all this money. You did not even know you can make that type of. It actually Nas 100 trend better on a Asian session. To be honest, people probably didn't know that. All we know is the New York session. You could trade this on the other session. And I need to remember that shit, my damn self. You know what I mean? Only $10. Look, Bitcoin's still going down. How do I know it's going down? The alert never came on to tell me anything otherwise. Look. Imagine how much money you would have made if you would have did a nice lot size. Remember, based on what we looked at from here to here, would have been $60 with 20.20 lot size. So imagine if you would have got in here. That would have been like $100 and something dollars. Not a lot of money to wager, but it would have been a decent little profit quickly. But look, it shows you when to get in the trade. That's what I'm saying. The alert system tell you everything. You can't beat it. All you got to do is go here. I show you everything there. I show you how to load everything up. I show you how to use the system. Mamba FX used this broker. Swag used this broker. This is a very popular broker. There's no app. You don't need to download anything. This is a cloud-based system. So your system, everything you put in the system, it'll be there. You open it back up. It has a lot of good features and stuff like this. Like this come with the margin calculator. So you see that? You can see what everything you're doing with the lot size and all that. Real easy to use the stop loss and take profit. Like if I want to use a stop, if I want to add stop loss, I just press the button right. Look, just pull it down. You see the red line? I can pull it up, whatever like that. And if I left it there, well, it can't be low. It's got to be high. That don't make sense. I understand that. I mean, simple stuff. Let me start this off. It is awesome. It's moving averages, bro. It is awesome, bro. And I don't understand why most people don't trade like this. It's a moving average crossover strategy. Most retail traders, like on Wall Street, they trade like this with moving averages. A lot of people are caught up in the hype, man, of the smart money concepts, man. It's propaganda, bro. It's hype. It ain't nothing but hype. Because you gotta remember, everybody started making money trading, right? And then the whole MetaTrader 5 situation on MetaTrader 4, they stopped it for a while. They trying to stop people from getting money. Then out the blue, smart money concept came in. Too many people started making money. The prop firms are the only ones that don't bet. The prop firms are the ones that promote smart money concepts. But yeah, bro, it's only $10 right now, bro. It's $10. And you learn everything. And you also get the best time to trade it. So watch this. I'm going to type it in and show you my site. Best Bitcoin broker. Best Bitcoin broker. You probably already went to the site, I was assuming. But it's not going to be $10 forever, bro. Or whatever price I put on it. See? You know, stop guessing, start trading with a system that tells you exactly when to enter and exit, okay? You said there's some learning videos. It seems like it's so much to learn. Bro, it's not. It's not no much. It's, bro, this is easy. This ain't smart money concepts. Look, let me show you what it is. I'm gonna show you exactly what it is. It's a full system view with alerts. You heard that alert just came on? You just heard that alert, right? Look, for the buy. So look, I stop the trade and I take the trade. I just took the trade as a buy. Look, I'm right back in profit, bro. There ain't nothing hard about that, man. You just, for $10, you're not gonna do it? You're not gonna try for $10? I make it look easy, don't I? And it is that easy. It is that easy. It's not gonna stay $10, brother. And you get everything you see here, but look, back to my site. And matter of fact, I can show you, just like I say, when that alert go off, you hear it, you see that right there? The blue line, that's a buy. The blue moving average is over the orange moving average. That's why it came up. The blue moving average is over. The price is going up. It's that simple. It don't get much simpler. Yeah, shit. $10, you can't beat that. Look, I'm in profit already. You can't beat it. Just make sure you watch the whole video. Yeah, give it a try, bro. It's the moving average crossover strategy. Watch this. Watch this. Going to Google. What strategy does most retail traders use? Trend following, swing trading. Look, most retail traders use technical analysis based on strategies with trend following, swing trading. That's what I'm doing. That's what this is. Because look, I'm gonna show you. Swing trading. I'm trading the swing of it. You know? What does it say? Trend. This is trend trading, brother. Look, I'm trading the trend because the trend is going down. I just brought it to a smaller time frame. Look, I'm in profit already, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. And you're not seeing me do. No, it's all good, bro. You welcome. Tell your friends about it, bro. We all work together and we come up and get this money together, bro. It's only $9.99. I'm gonna just start going live. That's the best way to do this. You know what I mean? Tell your homies, get them to buy under your program, man. Let's do this. This money ain't hard to do. And you see it's going in profit right in front of you. Now it may be times you may lose a couple of dollars and stuff, but you always make more money than you lose. You just got to keep following the system. Plus, like I was saying on my website, I give you the times to trade. Look, this is all based on Bitcoin time. So you're gonna know when to trade. You see for early, it's a for London session, for New York, midday, all that. I'm giving you everything, bro. You're getting everything. But you got to get it before midnight because it's not gonna stay that price. It's not gonna be that price forever. It's not gonna be that price forever, bro. But look, I'm not stressing. Look, I'm still in profit. Even though it's a little bit of profit, I'm in profit. And look how quick I got in profit. Most time on any other companies, the spread is ridiculous, bro. But you gotta watch the whole video. Make sure you watch the whole video so you can sign up under me. When you sign up under me, you always got my support. You always got my support. But that's it, bro. Look, let's look at some more stuff. This is the same algorithm. Let's go to something. Let's go to metals. Everybody trading gold, right? All right. Look at gold today. Big ass fucking move for real. It's kind of, I don't trade gold because of the way it moves, but look, even if you wasn't looking at what's the link? Oh, my bad, bro. Right here. Go to this website, bestbitcoinbroker.com. And look, I'm still in profit. Remember, it's all about the pips. What the fuck? I got a bug because my window damn down. I get my window up. But look, oh yeah, but look, it caught all that for the gold and stuff like that too. Even if you were to look at the other algorithm, look at the green and the white moving average. If the green under the white moving average, the price is going down. Look, you could. But I mean, yeah, I mean, this shit easy as hell. I teach you everything, man. I teach you how to trade with the trend and all that for $10, brother. Look, I'm still in profit. I'm still in profit. I give you everything. You're gonna know when to trade, why to trade. But like I said, I don't trade gold. I just don't. I don't. It's too volatile for me. Nas 100 is good to trade in the daytime. Like, look, this is Nas on the evening. A lot of people didn't know that you can trade Nas in the evening. Same algorithm at this site, bestbitcoinbroker.com. Still in profit. Even though it's not a lot of profit, it's still the pips. It's all about the pips. I mean, I'm tripping. I'm not even trading this right now. But this Nas 100. I'm not trading Nas. I'm trading something else. But look at my pips for I'm up 12 pips. Not a lot, but it's still pips. Look, I'm still going up in pips. Look, it's steady going up. The more it go up, the more profit I'm going up. You can't beat this. You can't beat what I'm giving you, the value I'm giving you for the price. And the system, the strategy work better. And look, the price is steady going up. But remember what I told you. Why is it going up? Why is this candle is moving average going up? Because the price is going up. Moving averages simply follow the direction the price is going. It trails the direction the price is going. Again, if I told you to follow the Brinks truck to the Brinks factory and everybody get the money, All you got to do is follow the money. This is what the moving average is doing, is following the money. The price is going up. The average movement is going up. So the moving average is following suit. And we also see the other moving average is following suit. You see this green moving average I was going down. And look, now the price is starting to go up. Look, the green moving average is now starting to curve as well. Look at that, right in front of you. See the blue moving average? Look at that. Right in front of y'all, y'all see the system work. If you've been watching the video, the alerts, look at that. This is live Bitcoin right now. You can get this system with the moving average, algorithm, with the alert system. Learn how to set everything up at this website, Best Bitcoin Broker, right now for only $9.99. $9.99. You can't beat this. And I'm trading in the evening. There's not even day trading. We're swing trading from smaller time frames. That's all we're doing. Easy peasy. And notice how quick I got in profit. You cannot do that with any other broker. I promise you, anybody that traded Bitcoin, you tell me a broker that get in profit that damn quick. And when I say profit, I'm talking about with the spread. If I would have took the trade, most of the time I would not even got in until about here. The spread would have been up in there somewhere. But look, price is steady going up. Now, this is where it's probably I need to take my profit because once I get up in this area, but I'm going to just keep the trade open. I never guess. I only let the system do its job. Never guess. Let the system do its job. Look, price is continuously going up. bestbitcoinbroker.com. This is the best Bitcoin broker. Everybody joining in, thank you for coming. You want to visit bestbitcoinbroker.com. This is on sale for only $9.99. This is what you're getting. You're getting a moving average crossover system. Most retail traders use this. This is swing trading from a 2-minute time frame. You're able to swing trade from this time frame because the broker offers a great spread for Bitcoin. Look, most retail traders use technical analysis. That's what we're doing. It's responding to data-based strategies with trend following, swing trading, support resistance trading. So let me ask this. Swing trading and trend following is moving averages, correct? Yes. Using moving averages for trend following swing trading is highly effective, classic strategy for identifying trend direction, potential support resistance, okay? That's what you're getting. This is not smart money concept. A smart money concept is brand new. That's new stuff that's harder to do. It doesn't get much easier than the moving average crossover strategy. All you're doing is following the money. I'm going to keep saying this analogy. If I told you to follow the leprechaun to the pot of gold, all you got to do is follow the leprechaun to the pot of gold. All you got to do is follow him. Or are you going to let me try to guess where he's going to stop, and let me try to measure his foot, and let me try to see how much he weigh, and let me do all this? Or are you going to do that, or are you just going to follow the leprechaun? That's any other kind of way you trading, you making it harder. It don't get much easier than this. Look, let's back test. Back testing is simply looking at the past performance to see how your algorithm works for you. The algorithm are the moving averages. The moving average is the algorithm. I'm sorry about that. All right. Look, I'm going to the past a little bit. Look at this is Bitcoin all today. I know it looked confusing, but all we focused on is the blue and the orange moving average. When you trade, that's all you got to focus on is what they doing. All this other stuff is important too once you really get the understanding and stuff like that. But it still creates a certain structure you see is following the overall direction of the price. You see the price was going up, so the moving averages are responding and stuff like that. So you're almost micro trading. You brought a macro chart to a micro time frame. Everybody joining in, I appreciate it. My name is Justin McKissick Larry. I got about 8 years of algorithm developed. This is my newest algorithm. It works perfect. I like it has a lot of momentum when it trades. And all you do is follow, you use these moving averages. A moving average, it follows the direction the price is going. This is price action, right? This is the most important thing on the chart. Price action lets you know what's going on with the current candlestick. That's the most important candlestick on the chart. If the candlestick is going up, the moving averages, the blue and the orange, are going to follow the direction the price is going. That's all they do. Notice if this candlestick continuously start going up, this blue moving average is going to start spreading away from this orange moving average. If it start going down, we're going to start seeing a slant of the moving averages, just like we're seeing right now. This is only 10,999 right now. If you've been watching from the beginning, my alert system worked perfectly. If you look at the bottom things where people, yeah, it makes sense. Once you really look what it is, it makes sense. All you're doing is following the direction the price is going. I want to ask y'all, if anybody else trading and you doing any other strategy, why would you do another strategy besides this? Just because you saw a post, remember it's based on the pips anyway. The same money them people making, you could do with this, but more because you're staying in the trade longer. I haven't done any measuring. If you've been watching this video since I started, I've done no measuring. All I'm doing is letting my alert system come on. Or even if I didn't have alert, I see the blue moving averages going over the orange moving average. I keep the trade open. I'm maximizing my potential earnings. You will maximize your potential earnings. You will make more money quicker because you're following the direction the price is going. You will. Look how the blue moving average, hold on, not the moving average. Look at the candlestick. Okay, hold on. All right, let me just make this a little bigger for you. All right. Notice how this candlestick is going up because of price action, right? But the moving average right here, this blue line and orange line, when it creates this pattern where the blue is up over, going up over and spreading, is following the direction the price is going. As long as you see those moving averages open, you keep the trade open. And guess what? Even if it looked like it's going to close, you don't close the trade. You let the system tell you what to do because the algorithm is designed to follow the direction the price is going to go. This price can go all the way down up in here. If this is not crossing my alert system to come on, I am not going to close that trade. It's about trading at the perfect time. It's about timing. You can't just get in and start trading when you want to trade. Say, oh, I want to fucking trade. It doesn't work like that. That's the quickest way to lose your money. And it's not funny to lose money and look like a dummy and dress bummy. Okay? I got a little rhyme going on for you. But look, you get this system for only $9.99 right now at Bitcoin. BestBitcoinBroker.com. Best investment you'll ever make. The best investment you'll ever make. The best investment. Look what the candlestick is doing. Look, steady is going up. I'm not predicting this shit. I'm watching it live just like you, but I'm using my moving averages to tell me what the direction is going. I'm on a 2-minute time frame. A 2-minute time frame. Let's look at some other charts. Nas 100. Look, moving averages doing the same thing. This is Nas 100. Australian, Canadian, same thing. Moving averages doing the same thing. But let's look at some cryptos because crypto is such a popular thing to do. Cryptos. Look at crypto. Let's look at Donald Trump. Y'all gonna laugh when y'all see this Trump shit, man. I was looking at this shit earlier. Look at it from the monthly though. Look, The price is still forming in the moving average, but look, that price been going down. He been pissing people off. But that's money though. You can make money trading this shit. Look, moving average is responding to the live data based on the 2-minute time. Based on any time frame, it's showing you data. It's just I'm trading on 2 minute to get in my trend. The goal is to get in the trend as quick as possible. Get in the trend as quick as possible by following the direction the price is already going. You will make money because this is an easier system to follow. It's consistent, it's repeatable. You're seeing it in action right now as you look. This is not hard to do. My content is about 1 hour and 40 minutes, I believe. You're going to be able to use the system. You're going to be able to put this in, and you're going to be able to put the alert system in. And that's it. All you do is responsible for opening and closing the trades. That's it. This is not hard. The price is not going to be $9.99 forever. If you look at the comments, the guy that's on there, Mr. Johnny Crash, he see how simple this is. It makes sense. It does make sense. Just when the price is going. Why would you do anything other than anything else? That's the question. I want you to ask something. Based on what I'm showing you, why would you trade any other way? I want you to really consider that. Out of any strategy, it don't matter if you knew or not, or if you've been whatever trying to learn something. I understand it's hard to stop something you've been learning. But why, if you could simply follow the direction the price is going using these moving averages, when the blue is up over the orange moving average, and that means the price is going up, why wouldn't you just follow that system? 9 times out of 10 is your ego, because you want to sound smart. You know, that's the smart money concept. You want to sound smart. You want to come off as, I did it, without using an assistant. A moving average is an assistant, okay? Think of a moving average as your assistant. Your assistant is saying, hey, boss, this is what's going on. Use your moving average as your trading assistant. Yes, it come off as if it lagged, but it doesn't lag. It just speaks another language. It don't lag. It's just trade lingual. It's trade lingual. It don't lag. It just get to saying something else. They say, well, imagine, remember, it ain't about the amount of money. It's never about the money with these systems, y'all. It's about the pips. It's all the pips. It's all about the pips. That's what matters the most in trading. You'll see a bunch of people get in these trades and do them smart money concepts, and they'll make about 15, 20 pips, maybe less. Then and they can make a lot of money doing that, but they're not reaching their full potential. They're not reaching their full potential in trading. They just teaching people how to limit themselves. This is not limited. This is maximization. This is maximizing. For everybody new, I appreciate you for coming. You can get this whole course. This course is easy. It's plug and perform, y'all, at bestbitcoinbroker.com. When I say plug and perform, you get the algorithm, them lines, these moving averages. You'll get that. You'll know how to use them. It's going to have an alert. So every time they cross over in the trend switch, it's going to have an alert. Come on, if you've been watching, you would have been in this trade the whole time. Just like I was live on her and the alert system came on, you would have been in the trade the whole time. Simply following the direction the price is going. That's it. It's only $9.99. The whole system is $9.99. You get a broker with 500 leverage. Bitcoin is 11, which is awesome, okay? The spread is scrumptious, okay? You get an hour and a half worth of content, not long, me showing you how to, how to get this money. You know what I mean? Trading is easier than what you think it is. There's a lot of propaganda out there. It's a lot of propaganda. Plug my phone up real quick. Phone will go off in the middle of me talking shit. I'm about to go ahead and end this, let my phone charge some more, but look, I'm still in profit. Since if you've been on watching the whole time, I stayed in profit. Because I was in the trade at first, won that, then it told me to take a buy. I'm just doing what it tell me to do. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.